Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download blockchain wallet on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download blockchain wallet application on your Android, tap open your Play Store first. Tap on the search box at the top of the screen and type in blockchain in the box. Hit the search button and make your search. Once you find the search result for your application, tap on the install button to download the application on your device. Blockchain wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet and a cryptocurrency exchange supporting Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. It also provides Bitcoin data charts, stats, and market information. Once the download is done, wait for it to install on your device, and after installation, you'll be able to open the app by tapping on the open button. Also, you'll be able to find the application in your app drawer as well, as you can see it right here. That is how you can easily download blockchain application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.